At JAMEC, we have our clients' best interests at heart, and we make sure to fully understand their vision and their budget to come up with a tailor-made solution for their project. Our solid experience of more than 30 years in the industry and a consolidated team of engineers and assemblers gives us the flexibility to adapt and respect the timelines.
St-Elzéar had a planer mill that was 100% all manual, and the direction of the co-op wanted to have more agility, flexibility, and reduce the human decision in the process. I know JAMEC people from other projects, and what was very interesting is I knew that they had the engineering capability, the flexibility to develop something that is not a custom standard solution. And the reason why I say this, it is the fact that we have combined a planer mill traditional operation, and we have integrated a lot of equipment that are for value added. And it really called for a custom design, and we knew that they had the skill to be able to deliver what we wanted. The project was planned without the COVID. Unfortunately, we executed a lot of installations during the COVID period. And again, by choosing JAMEC, we were very pleased because they have shown a lot of flexibility in changing the schedule. They were always customer-oriented in what we wanted, and we were able to manage not to have a big impact due to the COVID because of their flexibility and agility during the installation.
Our collaborative approach aligns us to the success of your project, and by choosing us, you choose your peace of mind.
On avait toujours quelqu'un sur place. Les délais de livraison pour les équipements ont été vraiment comme il était dit au départ. On a eu vraiment une très belle collaboration de les employés sur place et de la direction. Même après le projet, quand on a débuté le projet, ils ont resté sur place avec des employés pour faire le fine-tuning. Puis encore aujourd'hui, on appelle, on a des résultats rapides. Puis ça a été très bien avec JAMEC. C'est une compagnie que je conseillerais à beaucoup de personnes dans le domaine forestier.
We are very satisfied with JAMEC, and we recommend working with them.
Nous sommes très satisfaits d'avoir travaillé avec JAMEC.
At JAMEC, we know what we do, and we do it well. Trust us. We are JAMEC, the productivity experts.